everybody, it's Homestead Tessie coming to you with a product review. That's this little stainless steel dehydrator and yogurt maker. This is a cute little countertop dehydrator. It's stainless steel and we're going to see how well it works. It also is a yogurt maker all in one. So let's turn it on and let's get it started and let's see how easy and how quick it dehydrates. The dehydrator comes with 6 trays. It also comes with 2 of the fine mesh that you can use. Now I like using this for all of my trays, so I will go ahead and get more of these. It holds a lot of food for as compact as it is. That's one of the features I love about this, is because it's so compact, it's not going to make a lot of space in your kitchen. All right, now we're going to go ahead and put them on the trays. All right, so we put all of the lemons and oranges in the dehydrator. It actually fits a lot of food. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna turn it on and see once what we are going to set it at. And it's gonna take about 12 hours. All right, so that is how it works. One thing I love about this, the temperature will go down. You can put it as low as 80 degrees, so you don't have to have such high heat. And this is for making yogurt as well. It also comes with 2 yogurt containers. All right, I'll see you back when everything's dehydrated in 12 hours. All right, look how nice they turned out. I love the dehydrator.